Mayor Mike Morganroth is the senior partner of Morganroth & Morganroth PLLC. He was just recently inducted into the International Association of Top Professionals, IAOTP's Hall of Fame, for his outstanding leadership and commitment to the legal industry. Mr. Morganroth was selected for this honor for his 50 years of service as a practicing attorney, his endless list of professional accomplishments, academic achievements, leadership abilities, and his contribution to society. Mr. Morganroth has proven himself as an accomplished professional and expert litigator who has become a household name and has represented numerous high-profile clients such as John DeLorean, Dr. Jack Kevorkian, Mayor Coleman Young, Christine Beatty, U.S. Representative John Conyers, Roland McMasters, Edward Holland Jr., Quicken Loans, Daniel Gilbert, Michigan Film Coalition, Buddy Greco, Lyndon LaRouche, Jeffrey Feiger, and Runaway Pictures. Mr. Morganroth has also represented many lawyers, law firms, judges, politicians, high-ranking union officials, professional athletes, and celebrities. His areas of practice include complex commercial litigation, white-collar criminal matters, constitutional litigation, intellectual property, business employment and labor matters, real estate, family law, probate, personal injury, tax litigation, bankruptcy litigation, civil rights and discrimination matters, insurance, securities litigation, product liability, professional malpractice, and entertainment. Mr. Morganroth's practice is not limited to plaintiff or defense work, nor does he handle matters in a single geographical area. Rather, he performs plaintiff work and defense work, and he handles court cases in numerous jurisdictions as well as arbitrations, mediations, and appeals courts. Mr. Morganroth has handled matters and clients across the United States, Europe, the Middle East, Canada, and Latin America. He has also served as an arbitrator, mediator, court-appointed facilitator, and expert witness. After serving in the Navy, Mr. Morganroth knew he wanted to be an attorney. He attended Michigan State University for his undergraduate studies, and he received his Juris Doctorate degree from Detroit College of Law, now known as Michigan State University Law School. Mr. Morganroth completed his undergraduate studies and law school in a combined total of just 3 years and 10 months. He is licensed to practice in the states of Michigan and New York, and he has been admitted to practice in numerous federal courts and appellate courts. Mr. Morganroth has a very impressive repertoire of notable cases under his belt. In John DeLorean's case, Mr. Morganroth defended 40 civil cases seeking in excess of $1 billion with respect to a wide range of civil claims, extradition proceedings, criminal cases, business transactions, tax litigation, and real estate. He represented Dr. Jack Kevorkian for the past 16 and a half years until he passed away, which resulted in acquittal and for early release of Dr. Kevorkian from prison. Mr. Morganroth was also lead counsel in a complex commercial matter against 2 large national grocery chains that resulted in a breach of contract and fraud judgment in favor of his client in the amount of $31 million, just to name a few. Throughout his illustrious career, Mr. Morganroth has been active in his community and recognized worldwide for his outstanding leadership and commitment to the legal profession. He has received many awards, accolades, and has been featured in numerous publications and magazines. For 2019, he was featured on the famous Reuters building in Times Square, New York for his selection as Lawyer of the Decade by the International Association of Top Professionals, and he graced the front cover of TIP, Top Industry Professionals magazine. For 2018, he was named Top Attorney of the Year and received the Lifetime Achievement Award by IAOTP. He received Bar Register of Preeminent Lawyers for 2018, named 10 Best Lawyers by the American Institute of Family Law Attorneys, received the Presidential Award Universal Publishing, and Top 100 Registry. Mr. Morganroth is a member of the Oakland County, New York, Federal Council, and American Bar Associations. He also is a member of the National Criminal Defense Lawyers Association, the U.S. Supreme Court Historical Society, the American Association for Justice, and the American Judicature Society. He has been selected by numerous legal groups and associations as top lawyer who has distinguished himself in many areas of the law, and he has obtained an AV Preeminent rating by Martindale-Hubbell LexisNexis, the highest possible rating in both legal ability and ethical standards. Aside from his successful career, Mr. Morganroth is a sought-after speaker and has lectured at various universities and law schools throughout the country. He also serves as an entertainment industry consultant on several films and motion pictures. For more information on Mr. Morganroth, please visit www.morganrothlaw.com.